my name is Dmitro Zaporozhtsev. I'm a co-owner of Paradise Private Limited and co-author of the book Outsourcing Tips and Tricks. And today I'll show you how to use this screenshot software to determine if the image is stolen, for example, or not, if the image is indexed by search engines or not. We use the widget from push.me. I have already installed it. Right click over there and I can capture current window, capture desktop, capture area, for example, and have an image that I can drag to Google search images and take a look if the image is indexed or not. Okay, let's take a look at Fiverr, for example. You can find here a lot of logo designers, but to determine if the image is indexed, the best way is to find the logo on white or very light background, not a complex image, not a mock-up like here, for example, or here, not complex images like here, like this, something simple on white or very light background. Luckily, I have found a couple of designers and I'll show you that they are cheaters. For example, Pamela Austin from Sri Lanka, member since August 2016. This amount of reviews shows us that this is not an individual provider, this is an agency. I'm a professional logo designer. No, this is agency. Let's take a look closer to this bird, for example. Okay, what do they proposed $5 basic package, one high quality custom logo. Custom logo? Hey, I'm not sure. I will design professional, unique, creative, and business. Okay. To take a look at the image, we should right click on the push.me widget and capture the area of the bird. And here we have the image in JPEG. We can drag and drop it into the Google image window and we will see the results. Okay, Fiverr, rospetstechnica.com, brajesh.com, omasoft.it. You see, a lot of people use the same bird, the same image, absolutely the same. Why this bird is so popular? This technique called polygonal image. It's a polygonal bird. Let's take a look what we can find with polygonal bird. Here you are. freepik.com. On freepik you can find free images. Wow, that's a beauty. Okay, let's take a look. Polygonal bird. Let's take a look what we can find. Over there. Polygonal bird. It has been downloaded more than 7,000 times. So it's not original image, it's a clip art. It's a clip art from Pamela Austin from Sri Lanka. Level 1, by the way. It's one of the biggest providers on Fiverr. Why you should pay more? $5 for just a crown?